as far as it can get. So I'm turning all the ones that have timers on. I should get the one from the garage, Guardian of the Grave. But his batteries are dead. So I guess he can't go today. Is it? Oh, it's in the way. That's better. Oh no. I don't think I can fit any more timer props now. That's almost all of them except for the hanging ones. But Grave Mourner and Executioner of the Grave don't have batteries. Executioner of the Grave doesn't work for batteries either. You can only plug in. He has to have a 7-volt 2-amp adapter. Not 6-volt 2-amp, 7-volt 2-amp. Yeah, this is cool.